friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious and refreshing lemongrass green tea. Hope you like it. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Lemongrass green tea. 2 sachets green tea. Lemongrass. Wash and flatten lemongrass to ease of release flavor. Boil lemongrass for approximately 5 minutes to release flavor. Add green tea bag and boil for 2 minutes. Lemongrass green tea is done. Remove tea bags and lemongrass. It's time to drink. A cup of hot lemongrass green tea is really warm up our stomach. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.